Hey everybody, this is John and welcome to the free video. And let's take today at the SPX. And so one thing I want to kind of show you guys here is just the idea that, we've talked a little bit about this, that the S&Ps for the first time in a couple of years are in a monthly squeeze, okay? Meaning that whichever way this triggers, if it triggers to the upside, we're talking 8 to 10 months of upward prices. If it triggers to the downside, 8 to 10 months of downward prices. And so the question is this market about to fire? So the idea here, though, is that, the way this is saying is we're not about to explode higher and we're not about to implode. We're about to trade sideways for the rest of the year. If you notice this, the Bollinger Bands are nowhere near to popping back outside of the Keltner channels, right? So we want to keep that in mind. And a big part, at least what I'm seeing with this, okay, is it kind of makes us rethink some of the directional stuff because, hey, and keep in mind that, remember, if this triggers long, 8 to 10 months of higher prices, triggers short 8 to 10 months of lower prices, but in the meantime, violent rally up, violent rally down, violent rally up, violent rally down. Okay, so what are the kind of strategies to do and stuff like that? Well, it's more weekly option strategies, especially on the SPX, all right? And so that's the kind of the stuff to think about. And keep in mind, if you're not really attuned to especially weekly options and doing weekly options for income, doing it with butterflies is a great way to do it because that's about the least amount of risk with the best amount of potential reward. Oftentimes with the butterfly, you can set up things where you're risking 1 to make 10. Of course, there's a lot more subtle strategies to do with that. This is going to be Wednesday, May 18th from 6 to 9 Central. And if you're looking at this going like, oh my gosh, it's already Wednesday, May 18th, guess what? You can still get the recording. Bruce is going to cover a ton of stuff. You can check out the bullets there. It is just $197. This is going to be an awesome class. I'm going to be attending as a participant, so I'll be learning along. That's one of the things in trading is like the moment you think that you've learned it all is essentially the moment you're ready to start giving money back to the markets. So I'm going to be on here as a student. simpleroptions.com/weeklyfly, $197. See you guys there and have a good one.